Hi, did you know what is Terraform modules or what are Terraform modules, right? So basically there are 5 modules, right? And before jumping onto them, I'll tell you and I'll walk you through about what is actual module is, right? So the module is going to be and is a logical grouping of different resources that we are going to build and produce and procure and use in order to provision different workloads and different resources across the cloud, right? Now these are the modules which will be providing and allowing us in order to create and provision them from the top to bottom, right? So these are the same which applies across multiple clouds including AWS, Azure, GCP and any other cloud platforms using Terraform, right? So let's jump onto the modules. What are those? Right, so there are 5 modules. The first one is a root module, which is at the top level, and it has everything as in to take all the configurations which is going to be built for reusable purpose, for consistency purpose, along with whatever the code is going to be written, that is going to be at the top level. The second is a child module, or which is also called as child module for the different workloads, right? That is going to be specific to respective workloads, for example compute, storage and networking, right? And then it is going to be following from the root module or from the parent. The third module is public or public registry module, right, which is going to be registering the workloads, and that is going to be deployed across the cloud, across the platform, as it has the scope defined. And private is going to be within the another is the private, which is a fourth module, right? So that's something within a specific and internal area of that respective module, right? And there is one more, which is last one, which has a capacity and capability of going through within the limited scope. And the last one is a provider specific module, right? Now each cloud provider and each cloud solution, they do have their own respective modules. Those can be utilized in order to use and deployed across the platform, right? So these are the 5 Terraform modules, and those are very helpful and important for deploying any workload across the cloud, right? So these are those modules, and let me know if you have any questions, anything, and I'll be happy to answer. Thanks.